So y'all see what I'm doing right now? I'm actually trying to clean that little middle part out, so I can actually have a hole. Hi you guys, we are just coming back in. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Oh, it's lagging still. I'm sorry, y'all. Sit down.
This is he's like, I was like, oh, there's the dog outside. I'm like, huh?
You can put that one up. Yeah, put one up. Put that one. Yeah, just put it up. Like, just put it up. Thank you. Okay, I had to fix the bottom, y'all, because the bottom was coming out. So yes, how are you guys doing? How are you pretty late gents doing on this beautiful, 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 beautiful Sunday fun day? These are the couple pieces that I have made so far. These are pieces that I am gonna actually epoxy, and I might just let these actually be a part of this little group. This one too. This guy, yeah, I got like a little bit at the bottom because the bottom is breaking off. So with the bottom off that thing. Alright, so let's add this bad boy to this bad boy so it can get fixed. bad boy to this bad boy so it can get fixed. Thing is left anymore. Alright. Alright. That's done. Now let's put this bad boy in there like this. So, yeah, let's just like tight. Okay, so that's how we're gonna do this bad boy. Alright. That's done. Now let's put this bad boy in there like this. So, yeah, let's just like tight. Okay, so that's how we're gonna do this bad boy. To actually make sure it's clear. There you go. Alright. Alright. Now I just got that fit just nice and good and clean. Hey you guys, we're back in. Sorry for the little delay. It was okay, just wait a minute. Okay, for y'all that are in here actually at the moment, is it glitching? Is it lagging? If it's not, let me know. Hi Blue Tats, hi Lady Army. Okay, thank you, Nut Mentor. How are you guys doing today? I got a couple of pieces in the microwave. I am actually still trying to get the funds up for the dog food and stuff like that. So, yes. Yes.
When you unplug my charger, do you charge this thing? Unplug it back up?
Baby, I was gonna plug it back up. That's why I told you to give me a minute when you said. Right. Baby, I was gonna do all of that.
That's alright, bro. I'm just.
I was gonna do all of that. That's why I was actually trying to just move slowly instead of just rushing to you guys. I'm sorry. Y'all could have waited for a couple of seconds for that, but at least I had you guys on live. So instead of me actually plugging in the phone at the last minute and actually making sure it was still on the drive, I just kind of rushed in here just to hop back on live. But yes, Nut Mentor, how are you doing today, beautiful? I might feel froggy enough. What I might do, Nut Mentor, are you in here? Yes, no, maybe so. But yes, everybody that is coming in here, how are you guys doing? I see we got 16 people. Share the live out. Invite more people to actually come vibe and chill with us right now. Right now, what I am still trying to do is get the funds up. It's 6:32. I am at least trying to get the funds up by at least 8:30 to 8 o'clock. Because we still have to actually go to the store. The funds that we actually need to get up for right now is the dog food and a little bit more for the light bill. Right now, the dogs that are at the house, we have Shadow, we have Paris, and we have Choppy. Choppy's tied up in the backyard, but Shadow and Paris are actually in the house. But we actually do need dog food for them. So if you guys that are actually in the lab that are vibing out with us, chilling out with us, if you guys could help us actually with the donation so we can get the dog food, that would actually be really appreciated. Nut Mentor, are you still in here? And Tina Bia, how are you doing, beautiful? But yes, everybody that is in here, I do truly appreciate you guys for coming in for the minute of the moment. I got a couple pieces actually cooking up in the oven right now. My main goal is actually getting a little bit more money, a little more funds for the actual light bill, and a little funds for basically dog food. We do have Apple Pay, we do have PayPal, and we do have a GoFundMe, you guys. His birthday's coming up July the 22nd. He will be turning the big 26, and I actually do want to actually help him even raise funds for his birthday, as far as so he can actually get his restaurant for it, so he can actually have his bakery by his birthday, because that is his actual birthday wishes. So yeah, everybody else in here, how are you guys doing on this beautiful Sunday? Right now, what I am least trying to do is I'm trying to at least make $35 more. $35 could at least get us a big bag of dog food, and enough that we can still put a little bit on the light bill. So yeah, my goal for right now is $35. Yep, $35. 35. Because that would actually get us a good big bag of dog food at the country store, which we'll be walking to around like 8 or something. But yes, you guys, we are actually trying to get funds up. So everybody that step in, I see we got 22 people in here. How are you guys doing? Now we got 2 people in here. How are you guys doing? Nut Mentor, I keep calling your name. You're the only person I've been actually name calling so far. Nut Mentor, I know you in here. I saw you join. What are you doing? I'm trying to speak business with you right now. I really am. Where you at? But yes. Hi, Jocelyn. How are you doing? Hi, Tashia. Hi, Tashia. 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 Not Tashia. Tashia. But yes, how are you guys doing today? Give me 5 seconds and 3 centuries. I see there's 4 new comments. Give me 5 seconds and 3 centuries. Hey, Jocelyn. How are you doing, beautiful? Hi, Brooklyn. Well, hi, girlie. How are you doing, beautiful? I love your name. I love the little emojis next to it. How is your Sunday going, gorgeous?